Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. Paul and Alita throw three die in a single throw. So they are throwing three die in a single throw. And we know that when you roll a die, you can get numbers from 1 to 6, right? And they are rolling three dice. It is known that Paul throws a total of 16. Find Alita's probability of getting a higher value. Now it is given to us that Paul throws a total of 16 and we need to find what is the probability that Alita will throw a higher number. That means we need to find the probability that the sum of the numbers of the three die roll by Alita is greater than 16. Now we are rolling three dice. That means the maximum sum of the three die will be equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6 or is equal to 18. We need to find what is the probability of getting a sum greater than 16. That means the sum can be 17 or it can be 18. Now, when we have 17, we can have following cases where we can have 5 in two of the dice and 6 in the remaining die, right? So we can have 556, 565 or 655, or we can have 6 in all the die, right? Giving us a sum of 18. So total number of cases will be 3 here and total number of cases in this case will be 1. Since we are rolling 3 die, so total number of cases will be equal to 6 into 6 into 6 or is equal to 216. Now probability of getting a sum of greater than 16 is equal to 3 plus 1, which is 4 cases. 4 divided by 216 or is equal to 1 divided by 54. So the probability that Alita will throw a number greater than what Paul has thrown, or the sum of all the rolls by Paul, which is 16, will be equal to probability of getting a sum of greater than 16 and will be equal to 1 divided by 54. So answer will be option number E. Now, if you want to master the concepts of probability and want to learn how to solve similar problems, do check out the video provided in the description of this video where I teach you those concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.